All right, language explorers. Let's talk about this Saturday's phrasal verbs. So climb to, climb to, climb to go up something like a hill or mountain, or to go up something. See, I'm going to climb up to the top. We need to climb, or we climb to anything, to the top, to the bottom, possibly? Not really. We need to climb to the edge. Yes. I will climb to the top. Climb to the top. He is going to climb to the management role. Climb to the top of the company. Top of the company. Top of the food chain, for example. Top of the industry. Or top of the leaderboard. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah, industry. Yeah, let's change that. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. They're climbing to the summit slowly. Here, the top of the mountain. We're climbing to it slowly, and steadily. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I climb to it by myself. Yeah, so soon I will have to climb up to the top of the mountain by myself. Yeah. Yeah, that will be an adventure. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? She's climbing to the top of the ladder. Yeah. We're climbing to the top of the hill. It is taking a while, but I'll do it. It's taking a while, but I'll do it. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? To get it down, you'll have to climb to it. So if there's something stuck in a tree, to get it down, we have to climb up to it in the first place. We have to climb up to it in the first place, so we can get it down. Yeah, quite important. How cool is that? So look, he wants to climb to the top. Yeah, to first place. I'm climbing to first place on the leaderboard. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So climb to. Yeah, climb towards a goal, climb towards an achievement, climb towards the leadership. Yeah, climb towards first place. Can you climb towards first place? Yeah, yes, no, maybe. How cool is that? So, climb to. Now, can you use climb to in a sentence? Can you use it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for my name, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.